go.
Contact.
Oh. Oh.
Can I try?
No. I can tell you for sure that you can't try. The steering's buggered on it. That's why it keeps going in the thing. I have no control of this thing. It's just
Oh my goodness,
kind of
though.
does its own thing.
Look at it go.
You got to slow down and turn it. Whoa. See what I mean? I had it fully cranked.
Thanks.
I had it fully cranked, and it just will not turn.
It's a good thing you have somebody with a water ski behind that, eh?
It reminds me of this boat that you had, Court, that was all vinyled up.
Oh, yeah. I know the one.
Did your battery come loose again?
I think so.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Bye. Turn. Walter. Hit the wall.
Here it goes. Oh. Oh, look at that goes! No!
This is cool. Unless it's going to go under the dock. Try going under the dock.
No! Oh! Oh! Hang on, kids.
Now he's going to go way over there.
I'm going to wait till it comes out a little farther and then try to get it out of there.
Yeah, hard left, hard port, and give her.
Oh, she might be a little bit hung up. Did you guys all run out of bullets on your...
You want to borrow Jack's stick?
You might need it.
It needs it.
Go give Daddy your stick.
Or not.
Oh!
Can I go get it?
Oh.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Let's go.
What are you trying to do, Jack?
Try doing it under the dock.
Oh.
Under the dock.
Way.
Under the dock. Go under the dock. Under the dock.
Watch that stick.
Oh, I can't even steer it now.
Watch that stick, Jack. There's people behind you.
Maybe that thing you fell off again.
Lucas put all the monster truck stuff. He went to the ferry. Put that on YouTube. He got like 300 hits or something.
No, I don't have...
How many did you get, Lucas?
Official,
I don't know.
like the old
Bunch of hits,
fashioned.
eh?
No, not really.
You need a sharp one. Can I try?
Do not try this at home, boys and girls. He is a
No.
professional.
A professional?
Captain Highlighter in the Yellow Blossom Special.
Under the dock! Whoa! Under the dock!
Oh!
Under the dock! Whoa!
Whoa!
Under the dock! Whoa!
You beached it there, buddy.
Don't touch it, Charlie. Don't touch it.
The sweet Marie. Suck my
Sweet
wake.
Marie.
Suck my wake.
Try to
Eat my wake. What? Eat my wake. I'm sorry.
It doesn't turn with a crap. Don't. It doesn't turn with a crap. I've got to get the boat, take it in and fix. But for now, I'm just...
Stop it.
You just had
Shirley,
this
is this
today.
your boat?
Yeah.
Nice.
We bought it.
Jack, what's the deal? What are you doing? Fishing. Okay, just wanted to know.
Thought I saw a fish in here the other
Let's
day.
see if the thing fell out again.
One lives here. That's it. One, only
I
one.
have two windows. Like, oh, I stepped on there.
Don't point that at people, okay? Poke them in there.
If they poked on people with that thing, if you have to jump over it.
You trying to get the paintball, Jack?
Should I lower it in the water? I got it. Crumbling the dock. Yeah, busted. Garden.
More rudder. Of course.
That's the brake.
See, I need more.
You need, yeah.
Get
I need way more steering than this.
What Put it in
Get
the
on my way.
plug.
Get
Move
back.
that back.
Get on
No,
my
that does nothing.
way.
Oh, okay.
I already tried playing with all that. I even
Yeah.
took this off and adjusted this.
On my way.
It calls for a professional.
You know he stuck at me. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Go under the doctor's transport, okay?
Whoa, steering totally backwards now.
Go. So right there. One day. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Oh, we're hung up in the weeds again.
That's even worse.
Stay here.
Worse like that. Hey, where's that stick? Give me that stick, Jack. Thanks, buddy.
Are we getting everybody? Oh, we got the whole thing. Lucas, you're the what are you now? You're the Steven Spielberg of Collingwood. You're not. Okay. All right. Somebody's got to go for a swim. Somebody has to fall in and go for a swim. We didn't ask Pat if she wanted to set up a zip line. She wasn't excited about that at all. I understand. Yep, she's free now.
Lucas.
Oh, look at the gloves, eh? Those are they warm? Are they warm gloves?
Under the door. Stay here for the ice cream.
Oh.
Yeah! Let's go, fire!
Patrick, why do you have those gloves on?
Cuz
Patrick, why do you have those gloves on, sweetie? Did you ask?